How to activate SLoan on Shopee. So go ahead to the Shopee app or the default browser you want, and then go ahead search for Shopee, and then go to the like question mark icon at the top left. From there, here you can see the ShopeePay customer service or the help center. So you'll go to the search option, search for SLoan. So you'll go to the first thing, that is what is SLoan. So here you can see to find the SLoan in the app, go to the finance page or me tab, then go to SLoan and then activate now. So here you can see go to the app, select finance, and then go to the SLoan, select SLoan, and then press on activate now, and then that's how you can activate your SLoan in Shopee. So that's how you do it. And then there's a note as well, you must activate and verify your ShopeePay account to be able to cash out and use SLoan. Also, you can withdraw a minimum of like Philippines rupees or the Philippines currency 2500 up to a maximum of your available credit limit. So keep in mind, that's the video. Hopefully this helps. Thank you.